Welcome to Susie's Discover Japan! Today, I'd like to take you to another one of my favorite recycled kimono shops. It has very reasonable price and huge variety. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Let's check it out! Thank you so much for watching my previous video from the recycled kimono shop in Asakusa. It received far more attention than I expected, and I truly appreciate all your support. This shop names Recyclu Yokocho. It locates in Tsurumi, Yokohama, about 20 minutes from Shinagawa, Tokyo, on the JR Tohoku line. I'll put the location, the address, the shop's webpage in the description below. The shop is open from 1 to 6 p.m. and it is closed on Wednesday and Thursdays. On the second and fourth Saturday, they have special 100 yen sale, so people start lining up right at opening time. And guess what? I got this obi here for just 50 yen a few years ago. The shop is on the 5th floor of the Fuga 2, right in front of the west exit of Tsurumi Station. But the entrance can be a little tricky. When you cross the crosswalk, the building will be right on your right side. The elevator is located just inside, right there. Furisode is a type of kimono with very long sleeves. It is the most formal kimono for unmarried women. It is often worn for special occasions such as coming of age day when we turn to 20 years old and weddings. This is nagajuban, an under kimono worn underneath a furisode. Wow.
でもね、一応1万円でと思ってるから、まあいいかな。これは良かったんだけど、これ高かったんだよ。
いくら
1万6000円。
ああ、それでもね、それでもね。From my research, buying a brand new furisode set cost at least 400,000 yen, and even renting one usually costs around 200,000 yen. なんかさ、普通に娘の成人式とかここで買うのでいいんじゃないっていう気がするけどね。袋帯。安い。4400円とか。袋帯 is a formal type of obi. It is often worn at wedding parties and other special events. It is long and looks very elegant, sometimes with gold or silver threads. Because it is long and shaped like a rectangle, many people in overseas also use it as home decor, for example, as a wall decoration or table runner. Nagoya obi is more casual and easy to wear type of obi. It is sewn in a special shape, narrower in the part that wraps around the waist. So it is quicker and lighter to tie than a formal obi. Tomesode is the most formal kimono for married women. Today, it is usually worn only at weddings, mainly by the mothers of the bride and groom. So most people rent it instead of buying one. A custom-made tomesode can cost over 100,000 yen, but here it is in this recycled kimono shop, you can find it for this amazing price. どうねえ、すごい。This shop has wonderful discount system. In order to have good turnover of stocks, they put sticker on the price tag. And each month, this old inventory has more discount from 10% to 80%. And at last, the sale of 100 yen on 2nd and 4th Saturday. They organize the kimono on the shelves by size, so it is easy to find your size. If you are under 160 centimeter tall, you have many options. If you're taller than 165 centimeter, it can be harder to find a kimono that fits in recycle shops, except in the tall size section. In that case, you can be creative. You can wear it in a non-traditional way or choose a haori instead. That's a smart way to enjoy kimono. This is the super discount area. You can find seasonal kimono here, including summer pieces. This video was shooted in July, so they have a lot of summer piece kimono.
Yukata, cotton kimono.
Yukata is the easiest kimono to wear because it's cotton and light.
1000円だって1000円。そうなんです。だからお土産とかに海外の人で状態はさちょっとシミがあったりするんだろうけど、でもね、まあね広げてみるとね、でもね、でも2、3000円のとかも、そんなに悪くないよ。で、1000円ね、アンティーク。これはローブ。ほら、だって1000円だよ、1000円。8800円が半額？欲しい。買うすりはどうでしょうか。
なんかそういうのも似合うよ。
持
ってないよね。
ない。
持ってないからいいけど。
本当に。
ないよだから問わず。
いつでも？
そうそう春だけじゃなくて。
いいねいいね。先生が一緒だった。こういう系持ってないな。いいじゃん。ほら。
いい奥様。
あら。
大きなシミとかないよね。気になるね。この辺とか大丈夫よね。この辺はやっぱりね、一番目につくの。ここね、一番汚れるとこなの。ここね、食べ物シミとか。
She says we should always check the chest area carefully because food stains can easily happen there. She's a friend of mine and also a kimono dressing instructor, so she gave me a lot of helpful advice.
やったー。ほらまたこういうさ、買わないつもりだったな、買っちゃうの。
If you want to use a fukurobi as a table runner, choose one called Zentsu, which has woven design along the entire obi. Some obi are called Rokutsu. These have patterns only of the visible parts when you worn, and the inner section has no design to save cost. So for a table runner or display use, Rokutsu obi may not look good. Please check carefully before buying.
これ品がいいよ。それは何
？5500円で。
流れる感じでお花があって。
I really liked this one as a table runner, but if I try to match this sash obi with kimono, it's totally different story.
ちょっとキンキラキンかしらね。めっちゃパーティーだね。
こっちはこのブルーがおしゃれだね。これがこっちの方が。
こことね。
ここブルー使ってるの全然トーンが一緒。 こうくすんだ感じのブル
はい
ー系がね、
はいはい。
こっちの方がおしゃれと思う。
でね、こっちの方が全通だから、
あ、そしたらもう全然いいじゃん。
テーブルクロスにも使わなくなったら
こっち
テーブルクロ
ね、ちょっとくすんでんのよ。ほら、深くなっちゃうよね。
ス。浮くよね。
浮くよね。
じゃあこっちにしよう。こっちの方が安かったよね、確か。4000、あ、3300円だよ。
あ、
こっち5000円。これ5000円。
すごい
Yay! 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 I came to this shop today mainly for filming and also to sell some my kimono, which I already own.
買っちゃおうかな。いや、私今日何しに来たの？
私の付き合いで来てくれたのさ。
まあいいね。
I wasn't planning to buy anything, but in the end, I bought 2 kimonos and 1 obi.
すごい、4割引き。はい。
Because of their clearance system, the piece was discounted even more, and this was the final total. Wow! If I bought these as new, they would cost around 300,000 at least. So this was an amazing deal. I'm so happy!
はい。どうでしたか、このお店。よかった。
People often ask me which recycled kimono shops I recommend. Personally, I recommended 2 shops only. The one in Asakusa, which I introduced before in another video, and this shop in Tsurumi. They have large selection and even beginners can shop easily. Kimono has many rules: formality, season, and which obi matches which kimono. Especially for tea ceremonies occasion, the rule can be quite strict. But personally, I think it's okay to enjoy kimono more freely without too much pressure, especially if you are not Japanese. Just like Japanese food has changed and adapted around the world in their local way, I'd love to see kimono enjoyed in new ways, with fresh ideas from people overseas. If you are still watching, you probably love kimono or are curious about it. Do you enjoy kimono? How do you like to wear or use it? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye! I continue to share videos on this channel because I want more people to discover the Japanese culture I love. If watching this video helps you feel a little more comfortable and curious about Japanese culture, that will make me very happy.